Hello there and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add your bank details to your Google AdSense account. So you can see this is AdSense for websites and this is AdSense for YouTube. So I run a YouTube channel and a website as well, and I'm having them all on a single AdSense account, just like it should be. So I'm going to show you guys how you can add the bank details if you verified your account and you need to add your bank details to get paid. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Very simple and easy. So on here, I just tap on the payments here. So normally this is how it looks like. When you tap on the payments, it's going to expand and you're going to get the payment info. You're going to get verification too as well. So now let me tap on the payment info here. It's going to take time to load and it's here. So you can see here, I just manage my payment method here by tapping on that. And you can see I already have two banks added already, two different banks. I can remove them. You can edit them after adding the bank. So I want to add a new bank. So let me tap on that for the tutorial purposes. And then you need to choose, you add a wire transfer. You're not going to choose check because you're not in the US. So beneficiary ID is optional. You don't need to enter a beneficiary ID, but then your name on your bank. So let's say you are Richard. So Richard, and you are Richard Doe, something like that. And then you enter the name of your bank. So let's say your bank is NNNB Bank. And then every bank has a SWIFT code, a unique code for their international wires. So you need to get the SWIFT code of your bank. So you can search it online to get it, or you can even go to your bank or send them an email or even call them for their SWIFT code. So you enter the SWIFT code here. Sometimes it's numbers and then alphabets, and then you enter your account number and you retype your account number here once again. And if you don't have any bank account on it, you can choose it to be your primary. When you choose it to be your primary, you're going to use the same account to collect money from AdSense for websites and AdSense for YouTube. And then you proceed to save and you're good to go. So that's it on how you can add your bank details on your Google AdSense account. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. If you have a question, to drop it in the comment section of this video. I'm going to answer you. That's it once again. Peace.